Hey, my name is Martin Hayes. I'm an application engineer with goengineer. We sell SolidWorks 3D CAD software, and our new product is the SWOOD add-on for the woodworking manufacturing with it. This is a new conference for us, kind of stepping into the wood industry, being able to bring the woodworking tools like edge banding, connectors, all the hardware libraries into the SolidWorks interface for the full 3D CAD experience. And then we integrate with the CNC machines and everything downstream with our nesting and CAM packages. So we offer the software packages, but also our expertise is in training and implementation as well. So working with SolidWorks and SWOOD, we partner up with our customers to kind of get them through the onboarding implementation aspect of the process. SWOOD isn't going to be just strictly for a specific industry, but really throughout all the design and manufacturing applications. SWOOD is going to be utilized both in cabinets and closets, but then also for things like retail storefronts, anything where the custom design and manufacturing is needed.